In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone admin in Telegram group. This walkthrough uses Telegram Desktop because the web version doesn't include the controls you need to assign admin roles. Before you begin, make sure your own account is already an admin or the group owner. Otherwise, the management options won't appear. Start by launching Telegram Desktop on your computer. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in so you have access to your chats. Once you're in, look through your chat list and open the group where you want to promote someone. At the top of the group chat, click the group's name to open the group profile. This is the hub for all your group settings. Inside the group profile, click Manage. If you don't see this option, your account doesn't have permission to change settings in this group. If it's visible, continue by selecting Administrators. Here you'll see the current admins and the owner, so you know who already has elevated access. Next, click Add Administrator. A list of members will appear. Choose the person you want to promote, or use the search box to find them quickly in large groups. Remember, only existing members can be promoted. If someone isn't listed, they need to join the group first. You'll now see the permissions screen. This is where you decide exactly what your new admin can do. Toggle on only what they truly need. Change group info allows editing the group name, photo, and description. Delete messages lets them remove inappropriate or duplicate posts, including messages from other members. Ban users gives them moderation power to restrict or remove disruptive members. You can also allow inviting users, pinning important messages, managing voice or video chats, adding new admins, or making the admin anonymous so their actions show as coming from the group. If your group uses topics, you may see options for managing those as well. A helpful rule is to grant the minimum necessary permissions and expand them later if needed. Powers like deleting messages, banning users, and adding new admins should be reserved for people you trust. When you're satisfied with the settings, click Save. The change takes effect immediately, and the person will appear in your administrators list with the permissions you selected. If you ever want to adjust or revoke their access, return to the administrators section, open their entry, and update the toggles or remove their role. That's all it takes to make someone an admin in your Telegram group using the desktop app. Review admin roles periodically to keep your community safe and organized.